your phone and your cigarettes? I'm so nice for buying that for you, you fucking turd. Anybody has children, tell me now.
I'm a child. Water. A fork in the road.
Hello, sorry. Look at all the wild roses.
Wow.
They're so pretty.
Kaylin has to experience.
I thought she did this last year.
No.
I was only here for like 2 weeks.
Oh.
Go! Don't hold on to me, go! Don't fall, stupid.
It's okay, the wobbling means it's working.
Yes.
Where did we go into the rocks to get up the waterfall last time?
That way.
We went down the first one, right?
There's a trail that goes off and goes that way.
Abandoned west, abandoned. Even there.
Oh no, West is running away from us. Crazy people.
Wow, you're putting a lot of trust in that bridge. Going at the same time?
Stop whacking over there! Sylvee! What? What?
West!
Marco!
West! West! This is where we climb up the waterfall.
What?
Oh my God, it's so painful.
West! Up there. We're marching through the woods. Queen wave! Queen wave! Here I go! West! West! Look, it's a big rock.
Dude, there's so many big rocks.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock. Oh, this is crunchy. I'm coming.
You don't have to announce it.
Huh?
Huh?
No, come in.
Izayah!
What?
Come pick up this girl. Okay. Bro, it feels so nice and chilly down here. You want to hold this for a second?
You did this last year. Izayah, she won't
Wait,
go down
hold
here.
this. I'll go get her. Okay.
Here, take this.
I don't want to be over here anymore.
Where was our off point?
I don't know. Go ahead.
I gotta go up that corner right there. It should be right there, Izayah.
Yeah.
Did you go too far or did you go up?
You went.
This part?
No, you went too far. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh, that's a better place to climb up right here.
Okay. Izayah, you need to GoPro.
Oh. Wait, I want to go this way.
I stuck my hand in stinging nettle wet. Yeah.
I don't even know what that is.
Huh? No.
Well, this is this camera.
The best thing for it is like active charcoal because it just like draws it out.
Stinging nettle?
Yeah. Wasn't this where we climbed up last?
No, it was back the other way, but this one seems easier.
Right?
Yeah.
Wait, but Izayah, he needs the GoPro.
Well, I'll give it to him at the top.
I think he wants it before the top.
Well, I'll pass it down to him.
Isn't it dead?
No, he put a new battery in it. I'm gonna beat you. Oh, I'm gonna touch your butt. Oh no. Sylvee!
Where's Caitlin?
Alright.
Also there.
Who is that?
Isn't Eddie?
Try not to die. fucking stairs instead of climbing something.
I climbed plenty without you guys. Our bad.
I need two-person footing in case I have to catch her.
No.
Don't worry, I'm videotaping.
Good. Get all of her butt on video.
Yucky.
Thanks, Jake.
Okay, let's go buy fireworks.
Is there any ripe bluebirdies, or are they all?
Two.
We'll take the path next time, though.
Okay. Yeah, we did the fun part.
That way Caitlin doesn't have to suffer.
But that way was much better for us short ladies.
Yeah, I know.
Except I didn't get to push my butt up.
My crevasse is in the stairway, but we like to touch your butts. That's why we like the other one. We get to hold your butts the whole way up.
That's my bad.
But nobody's here to hold West's butt.
Okay.
Well, the girls can each take a cheek.
Not someone else.
Hello, Al.
2:30.
Oh yeah, we have to
No,
go to
no,
your
we don't-
parents'
we're not
house.
taking the lower trail.
Yep,
What? That sometimes lands you in the woods.
And Bear gets to see a cow for the first time.
I don't want to be there until like 9 p.m. though.
Sylvie.
What?
Oh, okay. Wes, you have Caitlin.
Every time we go to Sylvie's parents' house, we end up staying there way longer than I ever want to.
You said that you weren't going to complain.
When did I say that?
Isaiah, can you get a beer out of this big
promised-
pocket?
I said, hey, but you can't complain. You said, okay.
When did I say that?
When were you fucking lying?
I don't. These are chips.
I want the beer. Yeah!
Why is this water bottle flimsy?
It's a grenade. Are you farting or making noises with your lips?
My lips.
Your butt lips? He's queefing.
Why is there a giant vagina patch of grass here?
For nature to fuck. You don't think nature fucks?
Hey man. My booty hole's itchy.
How pleasant.
And now I got a wedgie.
On the hood of the truck. What do we check before we drive away? We check the hood of the truck for Sylvie's phone.
What do we see flying out